Loy Loy.
Pupunta kami kay Tito Rolly.
That Ryan said TT.
Ryan?
Ryan said,
Ryan said what?
Where am I?
something funny.
I think you just go straight. Oh, where are you? What?
Where
Where are we?
Dad, Ryan, this is level to
So, pupunta kami kay Tito Rolly kasi na-miss namin si Tito Rolly.
Yeah.
So,
Hey, what?
hindi pa namin alam kung anong bibili namin. Pero, let's see.
Really?
Yeah.
Galing kaming Kmart, may binili lang kaming
And
pang-pump
this is
ng
level
mga inflatable na stuff. And,
What, Chase?
katulad nito. So,
I see.
and Alana,
no.
meron kumuha si Alana ng bag niya para sa school. You happy with your bag? Tapos na kami kay Rolly. So, bumili lang kami ng corned beef, chips, at saka mga mamasitas na mixtures. And, binigyan yung mga bata ng lollipop. And then, ngayon, nandito kami sa service station kasi bibili kami ng coffee, pang-energize. And then, pupunta kami ng dagat ata para maligo yung mga bata. Para may gagawin kami today. Mahirap makapag-park dito kasi busy lagi. So, luckily, meron kaming nakitang park. And hindi kami makapark doon sa usual park namin kasi merong nakatambay na council doon.
Sorry, not discussed.
Oh, tingnan niyo, ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng araw at ang ganda ng dagat. I don't know why he brings towels, but he didn't bring your swim vest.
But where's our swimmers?
What's this?
But where's our swimmers at?
So Daddy got your boards, but no swim vest.
Look, mine's high like this much.
Oh yeah.
Is Jason Lana?
Was that alright, Mummy? Do you want this one, Lam? Or do you want this one?
I think this one.
This one.
No, I think this one, Daddy, he's gonna get burnt.
That, she's...
Look at JC.
Where's the slipper?
He's wearing it because he said he's hot.
That's my thing. There's a baby coming.
Baby coming. You scared of the baby?
No.
Oh, good.
Mommy, where's Dad's at?
Just check the car, baby. I think he forgot something. Ang ganda ng lugar.
See it on.
Snack muna bago maligo. Yummy? Tingnan niyo sila na parang ano na professional. Oh. Wow! Nakaka-proud. Oo. Kanina pa sila dyan. Talagang gustong-gusto ng dagat ng tubig Uwi na kami, tapos na kami finally. Tapos na silang maligo. How long we stayed? 2 hours?
How did we get there?
Maybe about 3 hours.
Oh, you didn't get a receipt off too tight.
No.
They have
So maybe we stayed 3 hours. Bumili kami ng bulaklak. Stop it! Stop it, kids! Ginawang ano yung cart.
Jokes, move, mate. Come on, we've got to get out of here. When we go away, it'll
So,
be...
namili siya ng kahoy at saka upuan namin pag in case pupunta kami na maganda yung araw, hindi maulan. I got her books for school.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Come on, let's go upstairs. Where's the food? Do you want me to carry that one, Lan? Here, carry it for you, my love.
No, I can carry it.
Is it exciting?
Quick, come on.
Go quick, Daddy. It's
Come
gonna
on,
melt.
leave it here, I'll carry it up.
Mom, why did I say come on?
Because Alana's excited. Because the ice cream is...
Mom, the french fries. Yeah. Mom, the french fries pig.
It's alright. Alana's excited to open. Let's eat lunch first, Lan. Oh, are you excited? That's your stuff for your school.
Oh, no, it's not.
What?
It's not.
What's that?
Oh, Lanzi. Let's just open the... Oh.
For our next video, you guys, we will be unboxing the Breville Mini Quiet Light. So, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.